Style Icon of the Year presented by Myntra, ladies and gentlemen. ये अवार्ड को पेश करने के लिए हम स्टेज पर बुलाना चाहेंगे अरविंद तंबाद, डायरेक्टर ऑफ Myntra, and with him the gorgeous, stunning Dia Mirza.
Namaste, New York. The Nexa IFA Award for Myntra Style Icon goes to Alia Bhatt.
Whoa!
Hello, New York.
Say it like it is, babe.
Game show. Thank you, IFA. I have to say that I'm standing on the stage with my style inspiration, Karan Johar. And I have to also thank my mother, who's here today, guys. I have to say it's my mother's first time in New York. So please give her a warm welcome.
That's kind of amazing.
So, Mama, thank you for looking so beautiful and being so beautiful, because that obviously adds to my style carrying quotient as well. Thank you for this, guys.
Whoa!
Amazing.
We love you, Alia.
Well done, Alia.
Love you guys.
Fantastic.
Bye.
एक प्रोड्यूसर होने के नाते मैं ये यकीन के साथ कह सकता हूं कि if you can make the audience laugh till the end, then you will laugh all the way to the bank.
So, ladies and gentlemen, the nominees for a performance in a comic role are...
Let's have a look.
Nexa IFA Awards nominations for performance in a comic role are Varun Dhawan for Dishoom,
ब्रोकली आउट ऑफ स्टॉक था तो कॉलीफ्लावर लेके आओ, लेकिन आपका एज कार्ड नहीं मिला।
Jimmy Shergill for Happy Bhag Jayegi,
सोलो डांस आइटम की है मैंने, और हुआ क्या?
पवी भाग गई।
Rishi Kapoor for Kapoor and Sons,
तो पक्का आपकी सेटिंग कराया था।
अच्छा, तेरी मम्मी नहीं है?
ये अवार्ड देने के लिए हम स्टेज पर बुलाना चाहेंगे शिल्पा शेट्टी और पंकज श्रीवास्तव, एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर ऑफ एयर इंडिया।
We would like to say thank you to Air India for flying all the staff for IFA. Air India is our national carrier.
So before I announce this award, I'd like to throw light on the cause that IFA has taken up this year. They take up a cause that's dear to them, and this cause especially happens to be very close to my heart. It's gender equality. Barabari ghar se shuru hoti hai. So all of you men out there, you have that opportunity. Make your women feel special, make them feel equal, make them feel loved. And now getting down to why we're really here. So the best performance in a comic role
goes to Varun Dhawan. If I would want to win an award for any film, I would want to win it for Rohit's film, for my brother's film. So, Bhaiya, this one's for you.
Congratulations, Varun.
Thank you, Karan. Thank you, sir. But actually,
Shilpa.
since I'm here, I want to get something off my chest.
Are you taking your shirt off?
Should I take my shirt off? No, okay, that's a little bit later for that. But what I want to actually say is that I always get all these comic roles, these chocolate boy roles, yeah? I want to do something serious. So, Karan, because you presented Bahubali 2, if there's going to be a Bahubali 3, can I be in it?
We're going to come towards you, Varun, to answer that. But thank you, Shilpa. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shilpa.
Good evening, New Jersey. Good evening, New York. Air India, your airlines, our own airlines. We already have 5 direct flights into US. And we are also evaluating a couple of new destinations like Los Angeles and Houston. So very soon, Air India would be spreading their footprints in the United States. Thank you and enjoy yourself.
Hi Karan, hi Seth.
Hello, hello.
So why can't I be part of Bahubali 3 since you're the presenter of that?
You think you became an actor because of your talent?
I think you launched me because of my talent, right? You gave me a break.
I think it was because of your papa.
But Saifu, you're also here because of your mama.
और मैं इस इंडस्ट्री में हूँ because of my papa.
What does that mean?
Nepotism rocks. Nepotism rocks. Nepotism rocks.
Actually, करण वो गाना कौन सा था? करण के फिल्म में गाना था ना? बोल चूड़िया, बोल कंगना.
कंगना ना बोले तो बेहतर है. चलो चलो आगे बढ़ो वरुण.
हाँ, तो मैं वही बोल रहा था कि मैं बाहुबली 3 में क्यों नहीं हो सकता हूँ.
ये इतना इजी नहीं है वरुण. बाहुबली एक डब फिल्म थी. I don't think you know any regional languages. It's going to be tough for you.
Karan, 1 second. I can speak in many regional languages. You want to test me?
Yeah, come on, go
ठीक
ahead.
है.
मैं आपको देता हूँ बाहुबली का डायलॉग.
बोलो.
मेरा वचन ही है शासन.
यहाँ पे बहुत गुजराती भाई बहन है मेरे.
आगे आओ.
कितने पटेल और शाज हैं ऑडियंस में.
तो सुनाओ सुनाओ इनको सुनाओ.
मारो वचन आज मारो शासन छे ओ ढोली टारो ढोल बाजे ढोल बाजे.
वाह. Now do it in मराठी.
ठीक है, हम लोग महाराष्ट्र से हैं तो मराठी में भी बोलता हूँ मैं. माझा वचन ही शासन आहे. जय महाराष्ट्र.
वाह. So great. I think the audience loves you, right, Varun?
I love you. Everybody loves you. No.
I want to say, Varun, I think we are here to really watch you sing, dance and remove your shirt. तो जितनी जल्दी से जल्दी अगर आप बैक स्टेज जाओ, अपने कपड़े उतारो और वापस यहाँ आ जाओ. Normally,
I'm going to be back, guys, to perform for you all, but thank you for this.